Colombia, a nation that would stretch across northern South America, including Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, and Panama. It was a vision of unity, strength, and freedom. War had broken away, and Panama found itself bound to what remained, a new state called the Republic of New Granada. Panama's gold was discovered in California. Suddenly, the fastest route, the more determined Panamanians grew to stand on their own. As the project collapsed under disease, corruption, and toward identity. The dream of Gran Colombia had crumbled. It isn't a story of rebellion alone. It's a story of endurance. But behind that bold statement was a quiet deal, a negotiation that would set of 1903, and through that narrow strip of land, the place where Gran Colombia once ruled, where dreams